Hey everybody, Michael from Rogers Ranch. Just wanted to give you an update on a project that Jennifer and I are going to be doing. As you can see, I've got a setup here with my four-legged helper Duke the Wine. We're going to do a fall crop, we hope. Our first crop that we did for the first time this year didn't do overly great. We got some jalapenos and some tomatoes out of it. But we're going to try a fall crop. I looked up and saw what was best to start germinating in August. We are in Texas, so we got plenty of time. But we're going to do some string beans, some short carrots. Looking forward to this sweet corn. Hopefully it comes in. We've got some cucumbers. I hope to finally be able to make some pickles. Peas, radishes. And of course, we can't forget, we're going to try to grow some tomatoes, some Romas, and some bush steak hybrids. And those look delicious. But yeah, that's what we're going to work on today. Got the seed starters. I like this reusable kit. You just put the seed starter in there, and it holds 16 pods. And on the bottom of it, let me just show you real quick. You can squeeze the bottom once it's done. It's real rubbery, and put it in the ground. I just thought it was a cool concept. I know everybody does theirs a different way. This is just a way that I chose to do it this first time, just to see how it goes. And yeah, we're looking forward to it. Wish us luck, and we'll see what happens. What you think, Duke? He likes it too. See y'all around. Alright, we've got the tomato seedlings in, and we did do one lettuce, which is right there. And then we, got the Roma tomatoes, and then those, the big steak tomatoes, the bush steak. So tomatoes are done, and we'll start working on these. As you can see, we're working inside here where it's cooler. Miss Daisy over there, standing guard at the door. Jennifer getting the seed planter filled up real quick. And Duty, just doing what he does, checking everything out. Alright, we'll get this filled up and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, there you go. As you can see, our list goes 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, and so forth. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the seeds planted. And we will see how it goes. We'll keep you posted, everybody.